talk about how to do the newborn baby care. Okay, then first we have to know what is the normal baby weight. The normal baby weight is 2.5 kg to 3.8 kg. If the baby born below 2.5 gram, are we call the baby is abnormal? No. That time we have to care for the child so that weight should be increased. Then first we have to know the normal heart rate of the baby. The normal heart rate is 120 to 160, and the respiration is 40 to 60, and the saturation means the oxygen supplementation to the baby, it should be 100. And the important thing is the baby's normal temperature. The baby's normal temperature is 35 degrees Celsius to 37 degrees Celsius. During the time of baby care in home, we have to maintain the normal temperature always, and no AC and fan should be allowed, and we have to keep the normal temperature, means the temperature should be 22 degree Celsius, because before in village area, the baby born in their kitchen room. In Odia we called it the entudi sala. Why baby deliver in the kitchen cooking room? Why? Because the room temperature is very high rather than the other room temperature, so that the baby's temperature should be maintained, and there is no risk of hypothermia for the baby, and cough and cold, and the baby delivers safely. Mother lap, the baby's temperature warm, so that the baby can observe that temperature to life. But when the baby delivered to the environment, the baby cannot observe the temperature, and we have a chance to for hypothermia and cold. That's why we need to provide heat or temperature to the child. In hospital, we provide the warmer care to the baby after the bath, and most important thing is the baby wrapping. You have to always cover to the baby to prevent for the hypothermia and also the infection. So many times I have seen that when the newborn baby comes to the home, all are very excited to touch the cheek of the baby. I request you to all the parents, please don't do that, because when we have to touch the baby, we also have to maintain the hygiene and proper hand hygiene first. And others are touch to the baby, they don't wash their hand, and also not maintain the hygiene, so it should be cause of infection, because the skin of the baby is very sensitive, so that it cause type of different kind of infection also. Sometimes the baby cheek, we see the red rashes are there. It is normal, no scare about that. It would be removed slowly in 7 days. In hospital, we just do the warm water sponging to the bath to prevent from the hypothermia. You have to do the sponge bath in warm water in your home, and remember that no oil massage should be allowed to the skin, and continuing feeding provide to the baby. After birth, the day 3 or day 4, the baby should be eat the demand feeding. Demand feeding means what? When the baby will cry, you have to give the feeding to the baby, both breastfeeding, and if their milk is not sufficient, you can also give the formula feeding to the baby. What is the formula feeding? Formula feeding means the other supplementation on than the milk. They provide nutrient to the baby. Then how to give the formula feeding to the baby? Then how to prepare the formula feeding? We are giving generally the nan pro and the pre nan. There are two type of formula feeding. provide non-pro is there to the normal baby, and the baby is premature, you have to give the pre-nan to the baby. Then how to prepare the formula? We have to take 30 ml of warm water with measurement. We put 1 spoon on it. Then check first the solution. If the solution is normal, means normal warm, then you can give to the baby. And remember, when your baby is in your demand feeding, you have to do the same, like in 60 ml we also put the 2 spoon of powder and provide to the baby. And when we go to outside, the baby means you have to protect the baby and cover the baby with baby cap, mask, socks, gloves, and for what? To prevent the infection. And remember one thing, most important thing is, after feeding we have to do the burping to the baby. It's important for digest for the food is easily digest for the baby. Important thing is the baby wrapping. How to wrap for the baby. We are seeing the next video. We see how to wrap up the baby, which is called the mummy restraint and burping. Okay, see the next video. I am showing you how to burping to the baby and the mummy restraint. If you people have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you like my video, then like and subscribe it, and take care. Thank you.